So I have some concerns about the Getting Started page here. And let's go over to it. So we get this big image at the top, making what most people want down below. So that's got to go. These buttons are kind of a problem in terms of accessibility. So I highly discourage the use of them in a situation like this. Definitely want the Spanish version of the information up front. Then we have first-time transferring returning students. We also have that in the side menu here. So we really don't need this side menu if we're going to have these prominently displayed here. Apply for admissions, that's great. Enrollment checklist is useless, and application assistance needs to be more prominent, easier to get to. As far as the first-time students go, take a look at that, and transfer students, and returning students, and professional developments, those pages are almost identical. So we have just this little picture that says, hey, first-time students, contact us. That's great. Email's missing though. Application right away. The right to know page doesn't exist. Email address and contact, again, that needs to be prominent. That's great there. And then otherwise, most of this information is repeated on every other page. So all these pages are almost identical with a few minor differences. And then we have that same bottom. So I suggest we take all of those and put them just in one place. What place? Well, they really should be on the Getting Started page. We shouldn't have to go here and then go somewhere else to get started. We're making it harder for students to get started. So I started compiling all of that information in one place. Now, I'm not attached at all to the way I've laid things out here, but we have a cleaner page here. Students can right away get contact information in Spanish too, if they need it there. Then new to BMCC, this is really for students that are brand new, transfer students, possibly even high school students, but I separated out the high school stuff down below a little bit. So I tried to put this in order of operations and in order of what people are most likely going to need when they come here. And again, that's debatable, so I want to know what you all think about this too. So again, contact us right away. Apply right away. There is a problem with the application. So we have in the returning students a note that says apply for readmission, right? And it says update your information. But when you go to this and log in with your student account, your current information is not there. That's a problem we got to fix. Likely it's Acalog's problem. So that's got to be dealt with right away. So again, if you go there and you sign in, they have it set to sign in with your student email, it should pre-populate all those fields with the existing stuff. It does not. All that goes in there is your email address. That's a big problem. All right, I guess that's about it. So check it out. So this would be possibly some version of this, the new Getting Started page. It's much more accessible. It's much more linear in what needs to happen. And then we have all this other information down below. So again, check it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you and goodbye.